My 1965 Chrysler New Yorker with a 413 Wedge engine. Idling in gear. It's in gear. Very smooth. I just put a new distributor cap, rotor, point condenser in it. A few years ago I put a new Edelbrock on. It seemed like it's adjusted correctly. Advanced the timing a little bit. I do it by engine RPM and sound and see if there's any negatives, but I advanced it a little bit, and after doing that it really smoothed it out nice. So we're just off a little bit, points where I don't think adjusted quite right, maybe a little bit burned. But anyway, I've wanted to do that for a while, so finally today I did it, and it is can't get it running too much better, I don't think. We'll see how it does on the road, but there's no problem cutting it off with dieseling or starting, so I think the timing is in a better position now than it was. It just had a little kind of a roughness to it, and that's gone now. So there it is. Running smooth, if you can hear it, with the traffic on my busy street. So it's warmed up at the thermostat. It's about 146, 147 right now. So I'll let it run just a little bit more, and then cut it off and start it a couple times. Accelerate it a little bit. But I think that did the trick rather easy. So a really nice performing engine. So it'll burn the tires if you want to. There you go, my 65 Chrysler 413 Wedge engine, idling in gear.